uMengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa uthi angeke aze aphawule edlanganeleni ngencwadi ayibhalelwe ngowayengumongameli wezwe uJacob Zuma. uMengameli Ramaphosa uthi akazi nokuthi kungani uZuma abhala leya ncwadi. Kanti isigungu esiphezulu seANC siyamukele incwadi ebhalwe nguMengameli Ramaphosa eyibhalele amalunga aleli qembu. uZuma ke akahambisani nalencwadi ebhalwe nguRamaphosa.
And so I have not responded to the letter, and I don't even know what the reasoning for the letters were, and will not even publicly entertain issues that are raised in the letter.
Uhlalo weqembu uKwedemantashe uthi lencwadi ebhalwe nguZuma ibonakala njengokuqhutshwa komkhankaso okungahambisani noMengameli uRamaphosa.
It is something that is almost a taboo for any official to attack his predecessor or his successor. It's not done because there must be a particular relationship between a successor and a predecessor.
uMengameli Ramaphosa uthi bonke abaholi beANC ababhekene namacala enkohlakalo kumele bashenxe ezikhundleni ngokuphazima kweso.
That cadres of the movement who are formally charged for corruption or other serious crimes must immediately step aside from all leadership positions in the ANC, in legislatures or other government structures, pending the finalization of their cases.
Iqembu selithatha isinqumo sokuthi bonke laba abasolakala ngenkohlakalo kumele bashenxe kancane ezikhundleni abasiqokele ukuze bebemsula kulamacala abasolwa ngawo. Ngingusamkele Maseko wezindaba zeSABC eGoli.